Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to change your screen resolution in Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to system tab in the left side and select display in the right side. Select display resolution and you can try change this value, for example this, and you can select any other types or display resolution and click on keep change to set this value. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.